Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to make an App Store icon in Figma, the first step is to open Figma and create a new design file. Now set your frame to a square size because that is the standard App Store icon size. Next, think about your app idea and choose a simple symbol or logo that represents it clearly. Keep it minimal because App Store icons need to be easy to recognize. After that, design your icon using basic shapes, text, or vectors inside Figma. Avoid too many details because small icons need to stay clear on mobile screens. Now choose a clean color style, usually one or two main colors, so the icon looks professional and not too busy. You can also use effects like gradients or shadows, but keep them subtle for a modern look. Once your design is ready, center everything properly and make sure it looks balanced. And finally, export your icon as a high-quality PNG file and it's ready to be used for your App Store listing. And that's it. That's how you create a clean and professional App Store icon using Figma. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.